Can I just say, may nagpadala sa akin ng Mylene's Brazo Cups and isa talaga to sa favorite kong Brazo de Mercedes. Mylene's Ensimada and Banana Cake, or Mylene's Bake Shop as we've always known, started in 2011. And since then, sobrang pinag-uusapan na to ng mga ka-work at kaibigan ko. Pinaka-favorite ko sa kanila itong Brazo Cups na soft meringue with a really creamy custard filling. Personally, gustong-gusto ko to na nilalagay sa freezer. Para siyang nagiging frozen Brazo. And believe me, sobrang soft pa din ng meringue pero nag-freeze yung custard na nagbibigay ng ibang texture and nag-elevate talaga ng mouthfeel experience.
Sarap!
Meron silang 17 branches within Metro Manila and sobrang accessible through online delivery. Yung 6 Brazo cups sa online ay 550 pesos pero post ko na din dito yung store menu nila for your reference.
Can I just say, yung sweetness nito talaga namang sugar boost. So this is really one for the sweet tooth. Sma?
So if nakikrave ka ng Brazo cups or may gusto ka din padalan to make their day a little sweeter, go na, try mo na.